Welcome back, YouTube. Welcome to episode 3 behind the scene at the Shumi Nation warehouse. I hope you guys are enjoying the series so far. If you do like it, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to make sure you get notification on our next video posting. Today, what we're gonna do is we're gonna make French toast. Go. How do you make French toast?
Okay, for French toast, I recommend the top recipe called French toast,
where I also talk about the best thing about pre-ordering at shumistore.com and ship out Dragon Ball Z and a bunch of orders. How thick the stack is, as you can see. What we're gonna do today is we're gonna start working and we're gonna see if we can knock this stack out, and we'll have a recap at the end of the episode. So stick around and check it out. Alright, today what we're going to do is we're going to be making some French toast. I wanted to make French toast for Priscilla for Valentine's Day. However, the LA court system decided to invite me to jury duty. You know, definitely ruined the entire plan. So what we're going to do now is let's make some French toast. Then we'll go to the warehouse. So, Echo, how do you make French toast?
Okay, for French toast, I recommend the top recipe called French toast, which takes 15 minutes to make.
Too much work.
You can ask for more information or
Google.
for more recipes, say next.
Echo, stop. So let's look at our phone. Let's go. "10 minutes. I like that. Let's do that. Quick and easy French toast." Nope. At least we need some ingredients. I want to start off by saying that we would not be here right now where we are without you guys, without the community. So thank you so much from the bottom of our hearts, that we really appreciate you supporting us, and we'll make sure to stick to our promise and provide a better collecting community in the future. So stay tuned, and thank you again. Here we are. I was up till 3 last night printing all these shipping labels, and what we're gonna do today is we're gonna be shipping as much as we can today for 2 people. Imagine only the 2 of us going through this, so let's see how we do at the end of the day. Let's get started! It's time to start packing. Commence the time lapse. For those that don't know, Shumi is actually only run by 2 people, myself and my wife. And we have friends, our friends and family come help us now and then. So it is really hard for us. We try our best to get all the orders out, and we try our best to go through every single pop to make sure that it's 100% mint and put them in pop protector for you. And if you haven't seen our process, make sure you check episode 2, where we kind of show you where myself, my wife, and my dad, we go through and check boxes. So let's get to it. We're gonna get back to work. Let's talk about New York Toy Fair. What did you think about the Funko's announcement during the Toy Fair this past weekend? Was there any of the pops that you want to pre-order? And do you have questions on where to pre-order? And should you pre-order with Shumi? And I'm here to tell you, about our process, right? We might not be able to get pops right away, because what it is that Hot Topic and the big box store gets their pop delivered directly to them from the manufacturer in China, overseas, in Vietnam, and stuff like that. While for a small retailer, what we do is we have to wait for Funko to get their shipment, and then Funko would then ship it out to us. So there is a little bit of a delay, but when you order with us, we guarantee mint condition, 100% mint condition. That means if it arrives to your store or your house and it's damaged, let us know. We'll send you a box replacement, or we'll do what we can to help you with that. Our Shumi promise, and what we want to do is we want to strive to be the most affordable and the best place for all collectors to come and get their pops. The first thing we promise is 100% guaranteed mint condition and a free soft pop protector, no matter what. So when you pre-order with us, even if you pre-order 1 pop, a bundle of sets, any 4-inch pop will come with a free soft pop protector. Secondary, once you place a pre-order with us, we make sure that you get that item unless it's completely damaged and we can't ship that to you. that was an eventful day, guys. This is the stack that we have remaining. We'll be working on, and we'll be printing more, but that's pretty much it for the rest of the day. It's getting dark out. We're gonna clean up. We're gonna go home. So catch you guys next time. Peace out.